In the quiet of night, you breathe in the soft mysteries behind the smallest things, where light is both a wave and a particle, and energy dances in gentle pulses of possibility. Close your eyes and drift slowly into a world unseen, where the tiny building blocks of all that is shimmer with quiet secrets. When you rest your head on your pillow, the world around you feels peaceful and still. But if you were to shrink down, smaller than a grain of sand, smaller than anything your eyes can see, you would step into a world that flickers and flows like a quiet river of light and shadow. This is the world of quantum physics, a secret dance of the tiniest particles, the building blocks of everything you know. Imagine a tiny spark that glows inside you, a sparkle that is neither just a small dot nor simply a wave of light, but something that can be both at the same time. This spark is called a photon, a little packet of light energy, pulsing gently like a heartbeat of the universe. Here, energy does not flow steadily like water from a tap, but in soft, tiny pulses like the gentle tapping of raindrops on your window, one drop at a time, never rushing, never hurrying. Long ago, people believed the world was made of solid things, things that moved smoothly and clearly. Planets spun in their paths, balls rolled down hills, and light was thought to be either particles or waves. But nature, in its quiet wisdom, chose to surprise us. Think of the waves in a gentle sea, rolling softly to the shore. Now imagine if each wave were also a tiny boat, carrying a secret. Light and matter, once thought so different, share this secret. They can be waves and particles at once, shifting like a calm ocean that hides countless mysteries beneath its surface. This secret was hidden until scientists, curious as explorers, began to look closely now with their eyes, but with delicate instruments that could see the unseen. Max Planck, a thoughtful man, first guessed that energy might flow, not like a gentle river but in small steps, a staircase that particles climb one step at a time, like the soft patter of your footsteps on a quiet stair. Energy is given in little pieces, each perfect and whole. Then came Albert Einstein, who pondered the way light could knock tiny electrons free from metals. He saw that light must be made of these little packets, these photons, each carrying just enough energy to nudge another particle out of its resting place, like a kind push from a friend, gentle but firm. This interaction showed that the universe is made of both waves and tiny building blocks. Imagine yourself drifting in a vast, starlit ocean where the waves carry whispers of distant places and the boats traverse hidden pathways. Every atom in your body, every beam of light that lingers in the air, rides this delicate dance of waves and particles. In the quiet of night, your mind can wander to this unseen world, the realm where certainty softens into possibility, where nothing is quite one thing or another until you look. Here, the universe is not a clock ticking away relentlessly, but a tender song of chance and wonder. Breathe in this peaceful mystery as you settle deeper beneath your blanket. The whisper of quantum physics hums softly, like a lullaby sung by the stars themselves. Your body relaxes, your thoughts slow, and the tiniest parts of the universe unfold into gentle patterns of light, energy, and soft possibility. What might it be like to watch the dance of photons, to hear the slow tapping of energy's rhythm hiding in the quiet spaces? As you drift, know that you are part of this grand, intricate, secret woven from the tiniest threads of existence, shimmering quietly just beyond the edge of sight. One last thought to hold gently as you fall asleep. In this vast quantum ocean, every particle's dance is a story waiting to be told, a soft ripple in the endless sea of being. And perhaps, in your dreams tonight, you will glimpse a wave and a particle embracing, forever entwined in the gentle song of the universe. Sleep now, and let the universe's quiet mysteries carry you gently across the stars. In the hush of night, two particles find a silent bond, a dance that spans the vastness between stars. Though apart, they move as one, whispering secrets through the universe's quiet heart. Drift slowly into this shared rhythm where connection defies space and wonder fills your dreams. As you nestle deeper into your blanket, imagine two tiny dancers in the quiet glow of the cosmos. These dancers are not ordinary performers. They are quantum particles, linked in a special way that no distance can untangle. Even if one wanders to the far side of the universe and the other stays close to your bedside, their movements remain perfectly in tune, like two hearts beating as one. This secret connection is called quantum entanglement. It is as if these particles share an invisible thread, an unbreakable bond that weaves their stories together, no matter how far they roam. You might picture them as a pair of dancers. Their steps mirror images of each other, responding instantly to every move, even though they cannot see or touch. In our everyday world, connection usually needs a whisper, a glance, or a touch. Distance makes communication slower, and time separates moments. But in the quantum realm, entanglement defies these rules, whispering instead a melody of unity and shared existence. Imagine having two dice that are magically linked. Roll one on your soft nightstand, and the number it shows instantly tells you the number on the other dice, no matter where it is, across your room, the city, or even light years away. This incredible coordination is not because the dice send signals to each other faster than light, but because they are part of the same quantum story from the very start. This mystery puzzled even the greatest minds, including Albert Einstein, who called it spooky action at a distance. It seemed to break the gentle rules of causality, where nothing should travel faster than light. Yet, countless experiments have shown that this ghostly connection is real, a hidden rhythm of the universe's quiet heart. To understand this dance, imagine you and a dear friend learning a perfect duet. At first, you practiced side by side, moving step for step, until your motions became one fluid song. Though now you dance apart, the choreography you created together keeps you locked in harmony. Your movements echo each other across the stage, unseen but deeply felt. This is what happens in quantum entanglement. When two particles interact, their quantum states become intertwined, sharing one story described by a single wave function. The fate of one instantly reflects in the other, because together they form a whole greater than the sum of their parts. Before you look, these particles exist in a delicate superposition, simultaneously holding many possibilities. But when an observer gently reveals one particle's state, perhaps a twirl here or a step, there the dance collapses into a definite form, instantly defining the partner's move, no matter the chasm between them. This silent duet is more than poetic, it's the foundation for exciting technologies that may one day light up your world. Quantum entanglement forms the backbone of quantum computers that will think and solve problems like no machine before. It promises ultra-secure communications where messages travel with perfect secrecy, guarded by the universe's own rules. So as you close your eyes, imagine these particles intertwining their journeys, a cosmic ballet dancing through time and space. Feel the peace in their perfect partnership, the quiet trust that distance cannot sever. Perhaps, as you drift closer to sleep, you sense the vast connection between all things, the way your thoughts, your breath, and even your dreams are part of a grander dance, unfolding softly in the infinite night. Pause and breathe this wonder deep within your heart. The dance of entangled souls continues quietly beneath the stars, a gentle reminder that even across the vastness, you and the universe move with shared purpose tonight. As you wander through silent dreams, remember this: you are part of an extraordinary story, a dance woven from light, possibility, and timeless connection. In a gentle garden where whispers blend, possibilities bloom like petals unfolding in the soft morning light. You wander paths of endless choice, where each step is both here and there, until the touch of your gaze brings a single flower to bloom. Rest in this garden of serene uncertainty, where dreams take shape from the dance of potentials. You lie comfortably beneath your blanket. Imagine yourself stepping into a secret garden. But this is no ordinary garden, it is a garden where every path you might take exists all at once, each waiting quietly to become the one you follow. This garden is the beautiful mystery of quantum superposition. In this realm, the smallest particles don't choose just one way to be. Instead, they stretch out like soft waves, gently overlapping and blending, holding many possibilities at once, like colors mixed delicately on an artist's palette. Picture a coin resting on a calm pond. Instead of landing with a clear heads or tails, the coin floats in a shimmering blur, a delicate dance of both faces mingling on the water's surface. This coin is in a state of superposition. It is both heads and tails together, until you reach out and peer closely, and then it chooses its face for you. In our everyday world, you are used to things being certain. Light switches are on or off, doors are open or closed. But deep in the quantum garden, things are not so fixed. Until the moment of observation, particles drift gently in a calm sea of possibilities, their stories patiently unfolding all at once, like a choir singing harmonies that blend instead of a solo that sings one note. This idea might seem strange, but you experience a kind of superposition every night in your dreams. Your mind holds many images, feels many emotions, and walks many paths, all mingling softly before the shapes settle into the gentle narrative of sleep. A famous thought invites you to imagine a cat in this garden, quietly resting in a cozy box. The cat, like the coin, is both awake and asleep at the same time, caught in the same delicate embrace of possibilities. Only when the box is opened does the cat choose to be one or the other. This is the famous story of Schrödinger's catapoetic way to glimpse the strange and beautiful truth of superposition. In the heart of this garden is the double-slit experiment, a soft ripple on a quiet lake. When particles like electrons or photons pass through to gates, they don't just pick one path. Instead, they glide through both, weaving together like two gentle waves crossing and creating patterns of light and shadow. If you try to watch which gate the particle chooses, the delicate dance is interrupted. The superposition collapses, as if the garden's many paths suddenly shrank to one. This act of watching transforms possibility into reality, a quiet reminder of the gentle power your gaze holds. Superposition is not just a curiosity for tiny particles, it is the magical seed at the heart of emerging quantum technologies. Quantum computers, the dreaming machines of the future, use particles in superposition to explore many possibilities simultaneously. Like a gardener tending many plants at once, these computers hold and nurture many outcomes until one blooms as the answer. So as you rest now, let your mind float in this serene garden of many possibilities. Feel the gentle waves of uncertainty, the soft blending of paths not yet chosen. Let your breath be slow and steady, like the whisper of a breeze, stirring leaves in a quiet night. As you drift deeper, remember, each possibility is a quiet story waiting for you to listen. Each potential path is a petal unfolding in slow time, a delicate mystery blooming softly beneath the stars. And as your eyes close, may you carry the calm of this garden within your heart, the peaceful knowledge that uncertainty holds its own kind of beauty, a dance of light and shade, where the universe itself sings a lullaby of endless dreams. Sleep now, gently cradled in the softness of possibility. In the tender silence, a whisper drifts through the delicate dance of possibilities, softly guiding waves to rest. The quantum world, full of shimmering dreams, gradually folds its many paths into one peaceful way. Let your breath slow as this gentle settling carries you deeper into the quiet embrace of night. As you rest yourself beneath the soft folds of your blanket, imagine once again the quiet garden of many possibilities. Each flower, each shimmering petal, is a story waiting to bloom, a dance held in delicate balance between many paths all at once. But somewhere near, a gentle whisper begins. This whisper is the touch of the world around you, the soft breath of the air, the faint hum of particles beyond sight. It is the subtle presence of the environment reaching into the garden, like a breeze that nudges the petals, causing them to settle softly. This whisper is called quantum decoherence. It is the quiet hush that slows the dance of superposition, that blends the many possibilities into a single peaceful path. Without this gentle settling, the world would remain an endless blur of uncertain steps, an eternal current of many songs sung at once. Picture a spinning coin, glittering and whirling above a calm lake, reflecting every star in the sky. While spinning, it is both heads and tails, light and shadow entwined. But as the air brushes against it, and the coin begins to lose its rush, it slowly leans one way, coming to rest, showing just one face to the world. In the quantum garden, particles to feel the breath of theirs, even the faintest touch, a stray photon, a ripple of warm air, a quiver of nearby atoms casts a silent spell. The delicate harmony of superposition begins to fade. The many paths merge, and the wave of possibilities gently collapses into a softer, singular truth. This is not a disturbance or a mistake. It is the natural bridge between the mysterious quantum realm of waves and the solid, familiar world you touch every day. Decoherence shapes the quiet story of how the unpredictable becomes the certain, how the dance becomes still, and how your morning world takes form from quantum dreams. Imagine yourself watching this process unfold. Like leaves settling onto a still pond, their reflections rippling then fading to calm. The magic of superposition remains within the particles, but the whisper of decoherence guides them to form the shapes and places you know. In the everyday world, decoherence is why you never see cats both asleep and awake, why your chair feels solid and not an invisible blur of possibilities, and why the sunlight that warms your skin is steady and sure. this whisper also hides a promise. Scientists and dreamers strive to catch glimpses of quantum dances that resist decoherence, particles that hold their quantum wonder a little longer, like a candle flame flickering in a calm night breeze. Harnessing this whisper could awaken extraordinary feats, a generation of quantum computers that perform vast calculations across many realities, medicines tailored at a quantum level, secure messages that whisper safely across the cosmos. So as you breathe in deep and slow, feel the universe's tender balance, the interplay of shimmering dreams and quiet settling, of endless paths and chosen steps. Let your thoughts drift softly in this rhythm, where the whisper that settles the dance lulls you toward peaceful sleep. Within this hush of quiet wonder, the many possibilities fold gently into the restful night, and your spirit floats, calm and content. Tonight, the garden breathes in harmony with you, the world's infinite tender secret held close in the delicate balance between light and shadow. Sleep now, embraced by the graceful whisper of deep, carried gently into dreams woven from the soft fabric of reality. Beneath the quiet stars, invisible threads weave a tapestry of connection, linking distant corners of the universe in a silent embrace. Feel the gentle hum of this unseen web, whispering secrets of unbreakable bonds and endless possibilities. Rest in the calm, knowing that, no matter where you are part of everything, that you settle deeper into your pillow. Imagine a vast, quiet loom stretching across the night sky. This loom weaves invisible threads, gently connecting everything in the universe: particles, stars, and your own beating heart. These are the threads of quantum entanglement, the silent whisper that links to tiny sparks no matter how far they roam. It's as if the universe speaks in soft secret codes, shared between partners in an endless cosmic dance. Picture two tiny dancers, holding hands even when separated by great distances, moving as one in perfect harmony. This invisible bond defies the space between them and flows silently, faster than any light, carrying whispers of connection through the fabric of existence itself. In your everyday world, quantum entanglement might seem like magic, but it is quietly at work behind the scenes, shaping groundbreaking technologies and touching your life in ways you might never see. Imagine the safest envelope ever made, one that no one can open without everyone knowing. Quantum entanglement creates this unbreakable seal in secret communications, guarding bursts of information as they travel invisible pathways across cities and continents. Any attempt to peek inside would instantly ripple through the bond, alerting all parties that the secret has been disturbed. Beyond secrecy, entanglement is the heart of computers, unlike any before. The quantum computers that explore 1,000 solutions at once, weaving through complex problems with a grace and power far beyond classical machines. They hold promise for curing diseases, solving mysteries of the cosmos, and perhaps even helping us understand the very nature of reality. Think of quantum teleportation as a careful hand passing a message between friends separated by oceans. Unlike magical disappearances of science fiction, this delicate dance moves the exact state of a particle without carrying the particle itself, able to send knowledge instantly through the entangled bond. It's a gentle reminder that reality is more mysterious and beautiful than it seems. Even the devices that help us see and measure, like supersensitive sensors and atomic clocks, rely on the whisper of entanglement. They detect the tiniest shifts in gravity, magnetic fields, and time itself, bringing clarity to both distant stars and the cells inside your body. So, as you close your eyes, breathe softly as the universe breathes, with you connected by threads you cannot see, but can always feel. This invisible web cradles you and everything you love, a reminder that nothing is truly separate in the endless dance of existence. May the quiet trust of these connected threads soothe you as you drift to sleep, wrapped in the warm embrace of the cosmos' deepest secrets, held gently in the invisible hands of entanglement. Tonight, as your dreams unfold softly, remember, you are never alone. You are woven into a fabric of connection, stretched wide across space and time, forever dancing in the silent song of wonder. Sleep well, embraced by the infinite threads that link us all. In the hush of night, unseen forces weave quiet magic, shaping the future with whispers of possibility. From the tiniest connections bloom wonders that will touch your life. Safer messages, faster minds, and eyes that see the unseen. Rest now in the promise of tomorrow, cradled by the soft power of entanglement's embrace. As your breath grows slow and steady, imagine a soft glow spreading through the dark spaces between stars. This light is not just any light, It is the quiet power of entanglement, whispering promises of wonders yet to come, humming through the fabric of reality like the gentle pulse of dawn. Entanglement is a secret key that unlocks doors to worlds beyond your wildest dreams, opening pathways where information travels with perfect secrecy, and machines think in ways that touch infinity. Picture a letter sealed with a magic stamp, impossible to copy or tamper with. Quantum entanglement is like the guardian of secret messages exchanged across the globe. If anyone tries to peek inside, the spell breaks, and the whispers of intrusion echo instantly to those who hold the key, keeping communications safe and sound. Beyond messages, entanglement fuels a new kind of mind, the quantum computer. Unlike the ticking clockwork of classical computers, these machines weave together countless possibilities all at once, solving puzzles too vast for ordinary thinking. They hold the promise of curing diseases, unlocking secrets of the stars, and forging new paths in science and art. Imagine the marvel of quantum teleportation, not the fantasy of moving objects instantly, but the precise transfer of information about a particle's state from one place to another. This delicate dance, made possible by entanglement, could someday create networks connecting quantum computers, ushering in an era of speed and security that changes everything. Entanglement also sharpens the senses. Scientists craft quantum sensors that can detect the faintest ripples, gravitational waves from distant collisions of stars, magnetic whispers within the human brain, the subtle shifts in time itself. These instruments peer deeper and clearer than ever before, revealing the hidden textures of the universe and the delicate rhythms of life. Even as you rest here tonight, these quantum marvels are quietly shaping the world around you, powering medical machines that see beneath your skin, guiding satellites to deliver precise maps, and lighting the way toward technologies that will brighten futures. Hold this image in your heart, a quiet garden where invisible threads connect all things with gentle strength, where every small entanglement is a step toward wondrous discovery. As you drift towards sleep, feel the comfort of knowing you are cradled in a world where science and magic intertwine, a world where the smallest particles hold the greatest power, quietly shaping the road ahead with soft, unseen hands. May the gentle hum of this silent power fill your dreams tonight, carrying you into rest beneath the watchful eyes of stars, whispered into being by the soft dance of entanglement. Sleep well, wrapped in the quiet promise of tomorrow's light. In the quiet night, imagine a mind that dreams in countless possibilities, weaving patterns unseen by ordinary eyes. This quantum mind, still young, holds the promise of solving nature's deepest puzzles and healing the world's hidden wounds. Rest softly in wonder as the future's gentle light begins to dawn. As you breathe slowly and sink deeper into your pillow, picture a mind quietly awakening, not like yours or mine, but a special kind of minder, quantum mind. This mind doesn't think in lines or steps, but dreams in swirling waves of endless possibility, where every choice and outcome blend softly together like the colors of a sunset melting into the night. This quantum mind is what scientists call a quantum computer. It is a machine built on the very waves and particles you've come to know, particles that can be here and there, one and many, all at once. Unlike the familiar computers that follow a single path, this quantum mind can explore many paths simultaneously, unlocking mysteries that have long whispered to us from nature's quiet depths. Imagine a puzzle with thousands of pieces, each one shifting its place constantly. A classical computer might sort through the pieces one by one, slowly building the picture, but the quantum mind, like a gentle artist, sees all the pieces together, blending them quickly to reveal hidden patterns and unseen connections. This special mind is already beginning to help us in remarkable ways. In medicine, it can simulate the dance of molecules within your body, revealing how medicines might interact deep inside your cells. These simulations could guide scientists to create new treatments, lighter and kinder on your body, healing with a gentle touch that reaches the heart of illness than the world around you. The quantum mind is like a brilliant guide for those who plan cities and roads. It helps find the smoothest ways through traffic, the best paths that save time and ease the breath of the earth. It's a silent helper, easing the rush of the day and painting peaceful paths in the bustling city. For those who build the machines and tools shaping your life, the quantum mind explores countless designs, finding lightness and strength, improving the wings of planes or the circuits of phones. It whispers hints of innovation, the soft song of progress sung on particles dancing at the smallest scales. Even the weather, that vast, swirling breath of the sky, is beginning to reveal its secrets to this quantum mind. By simulating countless clouds, winds, and rains all at once, the mind may help forecast storms with greater care, helping people prepare and stay safe beneath the wide, changing sky. And beyond these gifts, the quantum mind offers hope, a promise that the seeds we plant today, in its gentle understanding, will grow into a forest of wonders tomorrow. It is a mind both new and ancient, echoing the rhythms of the universe itself, pulsating with the gentle power of interconnected possibility. So as your eyelids grow heavy, rest in the knowledge that this young mind stirs quietly in the background of our world. It is weaving softly the threads of discovery, shaping the future with patience and grace, working gently beneath the stars while you dream. Feel the peaceful hum of potential, the soothing pulse of progress moving steadily, quietly within reach. Let this serene awareness cradle you, a lullaby of tomorrow's promise held close as you drift peacefully into sleep. Sleep now, carried on the wings of hope and curiosity, held warmly by the quiet mind that dreams in quantum light. Beneath the familiar glow of everyday life, quantum magic hums, softly shaping secrets in the devices we trust, deepening our vision and weaving unbreakable safety nets. Rest now in the wonder that your world is touched by invisible miracles, quietly working their gentle marvels all around you. As your breath grows calm, imagine the quiet glow of dawn spilling softly through your window. This gentle light carries more than warmth and color. It carries the whispers of quantum entanglement, humming softly beneath the surface of the ordinary world. You might think quantum phenomena belong only to distant labs or faraway stars, but in truth, they touch everyday life in ways both subtle and profound. Each flicker of a screen, every beam of laser light, and all the images that help doctors peer within your body bear the touch of entanglement's quiet magic. Think of the microscope in a laboratory, where entangled photons, teeny dancers linked invisibly, shine like lanterns, revealing the tiniest details. These paired photons gather sharper images, allowing scientists to see structures smaller than cells, opening doors to new understanding and healing. Your GPS, the system that guides you safely through sprawling cities or quiet countryside, relies in part on clocks so precise that they measure the smallest shifts in time. These clocks, the most accurate in the world, use quantum states delicately entwined to keep time steady and true, guiding your path with unwavering confidence. Even the communication networks linking voices and stories across continents rest on the promise of entanglement. Quantum cryptography uses this bond to create locks impossible to pick, securing your secrets with laws written by nature itself. Imagine the power of being sure that no message can be intercepted undetected, a shield woven from the very fabric of the universe, guarding trust quietly but firmly. This is the promise entanglement brings, not loud or boastful, but steady and sure. In the medical world, quantum phenomena help create sharper, safer images of your inner self, from delicate scans to refined sensors that measure the subtle rhythms of your heart and brain. These advances, born from particles dancing in perfect unity, whisper vital clues that guide gentle healing hands. Even as you rest tonight, entanglement hums softly in countless devices unseen, a silent partner in the wonders and care that shape your daily world. It bridges the mysterious gaps between science and life, offering a quiet reminder that the universe's deepest marvels often bloom in the simplest moments. So as you inhale slow and steady, embrace the peaceful thought that your world is woven with invisible miracles, threads of connection glowing softly just beneath your skin. In every beam and pulse of light. May this gentle wonder fill your dreams tonight, wrapping you in the comforting embrace of a universe that quietly cares, ever watchful and faithfully near. Sleep peacefully now, surrounded by the silent magic of entanglement, cradled in the infinite harmony of the everyday and the extraordinary. Beneath the surface of the tiniest particles lies a silent truth, an unbreakable bond that blurs the borders between here and there, self and other. In this quiet unity, wonder whispers that all things are connected beyond time and space. Rest now in this gentle mystery, held softly in the embrace of oneness. As your eyes grow heavy and your breath slows into a peaceful rhythm, Imagine a world without boundaries, a place where distance melts away and separation softens into a gentle blur. This is the realm that quantum entanglement invites us to visit, a world woven together by invisible threads that link everything as one dot. In this quiet space, the idea of being truly separate from others begins to fade. Two particles, no matter how far apart, remain bound in a silent dance, their states forever entwined as if they were parts of a single whole. It's as though the universe itself whispers a secret that underneath all things lies a deep and enduring unity. That unity calls to the philosophical heart, inviting us to reconsider what it means to be connected, to be alive, and to be part of something greater. It echoes ancient truths found in many traditions, where the world is seen not as a collection of isolated things but as a harmonious whole, a web of relations that includes every whisper, every heartbeat, every star. You might think of this as a vast ocean, where each wave rises and falls as part of a single, flowing body. No wave stands alone, each belongs to the great rhythm of the sea. So too, the smallest particles move not as lonely travelers but as intimate parts of the cosmic dance. Philosophers ponder what it means for reality when particles affect each other instantly, beyond time and space, defying the ordinary laws. This challenges the way we think about cause and effect, about what is real, and about the role of observation in shaping the world. Some see in quantum entanglement a hint that consciousness itself might be woven into this interconnected web, that our awareness is a thread in the vast tapestry of existence. Others find ripples of this idea in spiritual teachings about compassion and empathy, where the boundaries between self and others soften, and kindness blooms from understanding unity. As you lay here now, resting softly, feel the gentle invitation of this unity, a quiet reminder that you are deeply connected, not just to the people you love, but to the whole unfolding mystery of the universe. Let your breathing be a soft rhythm in this boundless web, a peaceful pulse in the vast network of life where everything touches everything else. What might it mean, as you drift towards sleep, to live with this sense of connection? What dreams might rise with the knowing that, at the deepest level, no one stands truly alone? Hold this gentle thought close, as the universe cradles you in the quiet song of unity and eternal embrace that stretches across all space and time. Sleep now, wrapped in the tender oneness of all things, and awaken to the peaceful joy of connection. Beyond time and space, a quiet light shines, a radiant truth that all is one. In this gentle glow, science and spirit dance together, inviting you into the vast mystery of existence. Rest now in the warm embrace of unity, carried softly home by the light beyond the stars. As your eyelids grow heavy and your breath slows to a soft rhythm, imagine a light that reaches beyond the stars, beyond time and space, a light that holds the secret of all things connected. This is the light of quantum entanglement, a beacon that shines quietly at the edge of both science and spirit. For centuries, humans have sought to understand their place in the cosmos, feeling the pull not just of stars and planets, but of something deeper, unity, that whispers beneath the surface of all things. Quantum entanglement offers a glimpse of this unity, a scientific window into the ancient feeling that everything is woven from the same golden thread. In the silent dance of entangled particles, separated by vast distances yet bound as one, lies a metaphor for the spiritual truth found in many sacred traditions, that separateness is an illusion, and that all beings are woven into the same infinite fabric. You might remember stories from old teachings, words like "you are that," reminding us that beneath the surface of our many forms, we are part of a oneness vast and eternal. Quantum entanglement shines a soft, modern light on these ancient ideas, revealing how the universe itself whispers unity in the language of physics. This connection suggests that consciousness, the quiet observer within you, may be part of this web of interconnection, a thread woven deeply into the cosmic tapestry. It invites you to reflect on how your thoughts, your compassion, your very being touch and shape the world around you. Imagine, as you rest peacefully now, the possibility that every kind thought you send out, every gentle action, resonates beyond the bounds seen and felt. This is a quiet call to kindness, a reminder that the light you carry is part of the radiant whole. Science and spirituality, often seen as distant, here converge softly. Both seek to understand the mystery of existence, one through equations and experiments, the other through meditation and experience. Together, they offer a fuller, richer view of the cosmos and our shared place within it. As you breathe slowly and deeply, settle into this gentle mystery that you are held within an unbroken circle of being, under the watchful eyes of stars that have witnessed all time. Perhaps as you drift into sleep, you feel yourself connected in a silent embrace to ancestors, to the earth, to the infinite beyond. In this embrace, there is peace, there is love, and there is the quiet certainty of belonging. Sleep now, cradled softly by the light beyond the stars, resting in the warmth of unity that both science and spirit reveal, a light that guides you gently home.